Are you excited to ride the train? Yeah. Choo choo.
This is the first of our viaducts crossing, first of 10 on our journey today. The railway, the pottery, 60 acres of land, all down to one man, Barry Brickle. Barry died nearly 5 years ago. I'll tell you more about Driving Creek and Barry as we go up the hill today. Look on the right, see where we used to take some of the clay for our terracotta pots. By control 100 degrees, back up a nice ready road. Back in 1961, he was a science teacher down at the local school, but he didn't like the job, only lasted 2 terms, only did it because his father made him. But in the 1960s, Barry started the Coromandel Art Cooperative, and he would have artists and potters come to stay with him from all over. He used to have a little house down the road. So back in 73, Barry sold his house, he bought this 60-acre block of land, paid just $8,500. All that was on it was a cowshed, close to where the station is now. And it was in a cowshed where Barry used to live and produce his pottery. Started to build the railway just to get the clay from the bottom of the hill, take it back to the cowshed pottery. The track should have been just 300 metres long, never meant to carry the paying public. But Barry kept laying the track, and in 1990, his local BNZ bank manager in town reminded Barry he had a bank loan and he wasn't paying it off. So it's the bank's idea, we open to the public, charge you $5, bring you up to the double-decker bridge. That was the end of the line back in 90. We carried 1,500 passengers in our first year, and last year 50,000 passengers.
Wow.
Barry put the final piece of track down below us in 2001, and to celebrate, paid the bank off at the same time.
Cool.
Now sadly Barry died nearly 5 years ago, and a few days later, in his coffin, we put him on the train. We brought him up here to the Eiffel Tower, Barry's last train journey. And we took him back down the hill and we buried him next to the track. I'll point this out to you when we go down.
Train snake.
Links sticking out there.